Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix some keys not working on laptop keyboard. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having any problems on the keys on your keyboard, on your laptop, well in this case there are going to be a few things that you should know and you could do here to probably solve this issue. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to make sure that everything is up to date, because sometimes if Windows, especially if you're using Windows, there might be some issues with the update itself. So they might have released some patch here that you might want to install into your laptop just to see if if that actually solves the issue. So typically speaking, you just need to go to search here and just type in update. It will show you the check for updates option here. Go ahead and click on it. And from here, click on the check for updates button that you see at the right side here. And if you see any updates, go ahead and just wait for it to load up here. Click on download updates or install updates and proceed with the update. Now, as you can see, mine is installing something. It's more about antivirus here. So in this case, you might want to go ahead and just finish this one and basically restart your PC. Now, another thing that you could do here is to make sure that you don't have any viruses on your PC. Now, sometimes viruses may actually prevent you on using some features on computer. So in this case, you could go ahead and open up Windows settings again. You want to go to privacy and security, and you could go to Windows security here. And from here, you could go ahead and click on open Windows security. And from here you want to click on the scan option here. So typically you want to go to device security, click on go to settings, and in this case you want to go ahead and enable all settings that you might think that you need. So in this case, in my case, I have memory access section here, so I have that turned on. And next you want to go to left side here, you want to go to virus and threat protection. Go ahead and click on the quick scan option here, and from then on just do a quick scan. Now if you have a separate in this case antivirus installed on your computer, go ahead and run that, or if you previously turned that off, turn it on and run the scan and see if that solves the issue. Now again, like what I said, sometimes viruses can actually prevent you on using your some devices, or in this case your keyboard on your laptop. Now another thing that you could do here is to basically uninstall and install the driver for your keyboard. So how do you do that? You want to go to search here, just type in device manager. You want to open this up, and you want to look for keyboards. Open it up, and you want to look for the keyboard that you're currently using. Now, if you're just using a laptop, obviously only going to be one keyboard here, but you want to right click on it, and you want to click on the uninstall device here. And once you've done that, it will disable your keyboard. But typically speaking, once you close this one and restart your laptop, this will actually reinstall or automatically reinstall your keyboard, so you won't have to worry about it. Now, the last thing that you want to do here is you want to make sure that your keyboard is clean. Now, sometimes if you have like dirt on your keyboard, so usually investing in a cleaning kit on your keyboard, especially if your keyboard is actually quite expensive to replace. So investing in a keyboard protector or even a keyboard cleaner can actually help you a lot, especially if there are dirt or any hair under it. It will prevent it from working properly. But yeah, if none of those actually work, your keyboard is clean, you have that protector, then most likely your keyboard might be broken. So in this case, getting a replacement might be the best idea here. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.